Hello, you guys. So, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening to my recent videos. And I'm really, really proud of these videos. When I am called, I am called, and there's no stopping me. And so, I really just wanted to just share this beautiful energy that is around us, right? And we are entering a more profound of unity consciousness. Yes, God consciousness. If you guys are first timers in unity consciousness, it feels pretty good. And you do feel it is very peaceful, and it's a very good feeling. Now, people that have been already in unity consciousness, it is more, it's deeper connection, right? Your peace is what you value more. It feels that you are called to show up for the collective, right? And I feel so much of a strong connection that this is our foundation. Peace is the foundation. And my visual and how I see it is a pyramid in different colors and different, you would say, ascensions, right? And you can say that we are building our rainbow of light, our pyramid. So that is absolutely awesome, because this is the first visual that I feel that there's a strong connection to doing this. So in our journey, right, we talk about the Merkaba, right, our light bodies, and we also talk about different chambers, right, that you would say your palace, right? And so this is something new that is coming to your existence. So you're definitely building this beautiful foundation, and it has to be more in the astral realm that you are feeling it. Remember, visualization is the way to go when you are dealing with your journey. You can say it's all about visualization, right? That's what usually gets you through this, right? So the other thing is, yeah, we have the urge to show the world, that life happens for us versus life happens to us. It's just like it needs to be seen. You're really focused in really putting that out there, right? So definitely embrace it and definitely go for it. One of the messages that I got is that they wanted me to share for the collective is, you are strong, you are tough, you will get out of this alive, and a little bit of humor there. Life is simple, don't complicate it. Cherish yourself and the things that you do, right? Every little thing counts. And, when you think, oh, well, I just did it's part of a bigger aspect of yourself, right? So little things are huge in the spiritual journey, right? So really appreciate everything, right? From the littlest things, right? Because that is what, you know, brings you to another little stone, right? The next stepping stone into your journey, right? So that is the message that they wanted me to share with the collective. And then I also received a song for the love of money, and it said, you attract what you need. If you are thinking of losing something, you will lose what you don't want to lose, right? So it's about really kind of the law of attraction, the manifestation. So a lot of this is about training your mind, right? For the longest time, we have trained, or not really us, our environment has trained us to think very different in regards to ourselves, in regards to our money, in regards to our family, in regards to beliefs, the whole shebang bang, the whole thing, okay? And that is what the message they want me to push out is that, really see what you are putting out there, right? If you're coming out with a lack, right? Which is really big when it was programmed to us from the environment is lack, right? There's never enough. There's never enough time. There's never enough money. There's never enough happiness. There's never enough. So, with that, we have to retrain our mind to really say, there is, and there definitely is. I'm living proof, you're living proof, everybody here in the world is living proof. The Awakens have been a living proof of that there is more. And that's why we are here. But of course, there's a bigger purpose. And, one of the things that we are taught is that we are more than just skin, right? We are a spiritual being having a human experience, right? And if you follow that, there's more behind the scenes. There is more after we are no longer here, right? So you really have to expand your mind, right? And really see that there's more out. There's more than what they told us, right? And it's all about really expanding your vision, okay? So one of the things that you would have to really do is reprogram your mind, okay? And there is a lot of meditations out there, especially when you sleep, that you can reprogram your mind. Now, definitely, that is one of the key points, right, in doing this. And believe me, when you do this, you'll feel so much better. You'll feel a lot more confidence. You just are more aware of that you hold the key. You hold the key for your happiness, for your life, for everything, for abundance, everything, right? You see everything in a whole different light. So that is the message that I wanted to put out there. A lot of different messages came in that I was not expecting, but it was definitely meant for somebody that is listening to this video. All right, my friends. Much love and blessings and peace be with you in your journey. Okay? Namaste.